Bill Gross at Idealab launched a new company called Prorata.ai, and they just came out with their ethical search engine called Gist.ai. And it's just relevant here for a second. If you go there at Gist and ask a question, and I asked about myself, and it was wrong about stuff, but so ask it who is Leo Laporte, because we know there'll be stuff in there because he's.
All right, who is Leo Laporte?
So it may be right around. What will happen is on the right column, it will ascribe a percentage to, if it finally gets it up here, there.
There we go.
So it ascribes a percentage to where it found the information. 19% of the answer, and I don't know how it calculates that. It comes from Wikipedia.
Oh.
If you keep going down, it's all Wikipedia for him.
I know, but it's different pages on Wikipedia.
But for me, it had other sources. I asked who I was, and it said I was a mayor of a London town, which was very wrong.
Did you know this?
No.
Did you know that?
I have rights and I have an accent I didn't know I had.
That's
so,
cool,
so anyway,
though.
this is an effort to say we have gone to these sources. These sources have given us permission, and we're going to pay them a portion of the revenue for this search. Mm-hmm. So that's another way to tackle
I guess in this case, it says right up here at the top, 100% Wikipedia. Yeah. So in this case, that's all. Yeah.
Well, that's the motive. If it can find it for free, it will.
That's true. Ooh, who is Laporte? Oops, I didn't mean to do that, but it knew what I was talking about. I'm just wondering if it's going to do the same thing again. And yeah, it looks like it's all Wikipedia, 100% of the answer.
If you egotistically ask who I am, it will give you a different answer.
Who is, let's see here, who is author and podcaster Jeff Jarvis?
Okay, let's see what it says.
Let's see if that kind of kicks it into the right. Okay, so it gets your books, Wikipedia, iNews. So 49%, 32, 7%, 6% of the answer coming from iNews. One more source, another Wikipedia, 6%. So it's getting a lot from Wikipedia in my 2 or 3 queries, but I appreciate the approach here. A little bit more clarity as far as the wideness or the narrowness of scope as far as where it's getting that information.
So anyway, I didn't mean to spend so much time on that, but I found it a fascinating decision today. So
yeah,
it matters in our little world.